Hello Panda Warriors and welcome back to Beyond Ice. Have you run out of ideas already, Amanda? No, but thank you for asking. Actually, I'm working on something that's a little bit bigger than what I've normally done before, but I'm super excited to show it to you guys. I'm super excited to kind of put it together. It's something that's kind of new for me, and I've seen other people do it before, so I'm confident that I can do it. I'm just not quite sure when I'll be able to get it out. It'll be either probably next week or the week after that, but I'm thinking the week after that. So look forward to that, and without further ado, let's get into Beyond Ice. Alright, so when we last left off, bench. We last left off, we had made friends with Lily, we had met a dog named Charlie, and, I think that was about it. We just got a little closer to finding Nunny. So, our adventure continues. I'm thinking that we're entering maybe town square or a park or something like that. Not entirely sure though. So we'll see what, oh, okay. Oh, kitty. That away then. I'm so glad this picture of this cat, our cat, just keeps on appearing to tell me where to go. Because otherwise I think I'd be wandering a little bit more cluelessly than I am now. Oh gosh, okay. So you guys get me for a second there. Hello. Puppy. Looks like kind of like Charlie. I'm going this way. A statue like that makes me think town square. We'll wander this way. Oh look! Is that fish? I think it's a fish. Cats like fish. Let's give the fish. Aww. Oh, there we go. Nunny loved to eat fish. Ray was certain he would have come this way. Oh, shoot. No. Go on. Oh, it's okay. Okay, nope. Okay. Great. Go away. Seagulls. Okay, I'm going to assume that we're not going to be able to get past them, as is a common theme in most things that happen to appear in front of our path. Like Charlie. These seagulls are just another Charlie. We will get past them. We can do this. Let's try to find a way to scare the seagulls away. I mean, there's those rocks over there on the ground, but I'm not sure if throwing the rocks at the seagulls will be the best idea. Oh, there's a house, or a building, or a place. I think I was right, town square. Oh shoot, scared me. Oh, it's okay. Oh. Okay. Well, we'll just ignore the man, I guess. Just keep walking. Oh, duckies! She liked the ducks before. That's cute. The bird keeps on appearing like just before my feet hit the ground, and so I keep on thinking she's gonna fall, and I know she's not gonna fall in, but I keep on thinking maybe she'll fall in. Oh. What a pleasant bell. Just keep on, oh, cute little table. Maybe, there's so much room here, I'm hoping that there'll be a place so you can just go behind the, oh, another scary thing. Should we go next to it? These are like the things that like we weren't quite sure, we thought we knew what they were, but we didn't really know for sure. So I'm thinking, oops, table. Thinking we'll go over to it. Come on, you can do it. We'll be right here. Oh, look at that, see, it wasn't as scary, it was now it's the back of a truck, which maybe we shouldn't climb in that, but see, can't judge things based on what they sound like, or they look like for that matter. Just keep on wandering. Keep on looking. I'm wondering, like, I'm assuming we're not gonna find her, like, along the path, kind of like in this area. But where will we end up finding her, or him, sorry. Where we end up finding Nunny in the end? And where did he go? Oh. Okay. This has promise. Can we go inside the shop? We cannot go inside the shop. Okay. So maybe it's just telling me that I'm looking for bread? I think I'm looking for bread. Okay. I'm going to assume that we're looking for bread based on that, because it gave a very strong reaction with the sound when we came across the bread. Oh, it's okay. Why are you so nervous? It's okay. Nope, okay, there's a wall. That's probably why you're nervous, because you know I'm gonna walk you into the wall. Just keep walking this way. We'll try not to hit the wall. Oh, the smell of fresh bread gave Ray an idea. Alright, so can we take the bread then? And just gonna wander this way to make sure there's nothing that I'm missing. Oh, okay, there's a back of a truck. We will not be getting in this one, as we did not get in the last one, because that does not sound safe. You're gonna let me take the bread? It appears not. Huh, okay. Well, perhaps we'll just keep on wandering then. Maybe there will be other bread for us to. Charlie! Oh, okay. Well, sorry. But Charlie. It's okay, we'll avoid him. I know he's gonna scare you. But Charlie's back. Aw, puppy. You just keep on showing up. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. See, we're not walking towards him. Not near him. Just can hear him. It'll be okay. This way. Nope, there's a slight raise here. Is there a bridge somewhere near here? Yep, there's the bridge. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Flowers. Nope, cannot pick the flowers. Huh. I'm wondering if there's other things that you can interact with I'm missing. Because the bread is not... It's not there. I'm hoping there'll be bread up ahead. That way I can use that. Because I'm thinking that you need to use the bread to distract the seagulls while you try to cross. That's where we just were with the... Oh. That's where we just were with the dogs, and there's the seagulls again. Can we maybe get around them this way? And the answer is... Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. The answer is no, though. Cannot get around them that way. And so our search for the bread continues. Maybe it's not even the bread. Oh, there's bread. Can I use that? Oh, the wall. Sorry. Can I borrow some of this? Oh, there's a wall again. Oh, does it just keep on showing a wall? Oh, there it is. Here's the gate. Can we use this bread? Yeah, put up here now. Oh, there we go. There we go. We have the bread. Now, maybe we'll be able to use it to... Oops, wrong way. Do not... Wrong way. Perhaps we'll be able to use the bread to distract the seagulls. Is that why there's two? Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh gosh. Okay. The seagulls flocked around the bread and gobbled it up greedily. Okay, so the birds are there, so if I can get over to the other side, then I should be able to get past them. That makes sense. Okay. Is there a wall here? Okay, I just cut through here. Nope, there's a wall. Okay. It's okay. We'll just go around the long way. Hopefully they won't move. That would be bad. I'm wondering if I'll grab some more bread just in case I happen to need it. Oh no! How did you get shut? That's not good. Okay. Let's keep walking, I suppose. I'm gonna grab more bread, but maybe I don't need it. Oops, keep walking. Come on. Oh! I can pick the flowers! Look at that! Aww! What am I gonna do with the flower? Oh, what are you doing? Careful! Oh, that's so cute! Look at that! I wonder if there's other things like that I missed out on. I hope not. That was cute. Oh, it's raining. Shoot. Okay, come on. Let's get going. Because you may catch a cold. You're not wearing a jacket. As I mentioned before, when it was snowing out, and the parents didn't. Where are the parents in this? Where is Ray's parents? I mean, they just let their daughter wander around? Do they even know that I'm missing? Where are they? Okay, well, let's hurry up and head around. Hopefully we'll be able to... Oops, there's a delivery truck there. Shoot, okay. Didn't realize that was going to be there. Okay. We can still get past. No, we can't get past. Okay. Perhaps we need to go past this way. We'll try this way. If not, we'll have to head towards where Charlie's at. But that's the last thing I want to do. Oh! Whistling man. There's a path this way then. Oh. Come on. Keep walking this way. Hopefully it'll be able to take us back to where we were, and then we can continue. Oh, there's the table. So we're getting close to the loop around where we can... Yes. This is good. Good. Oh, okay. Around the dumpster, around the wall, which hopefully won't block our way. Yes. Okay. Continuing on. I don't seem too bothered by the rain, which is good, I suppose. Hopefully those seagulls are still eating the bread, because it's taken us a few moments to do this. Aw, duckies. I wish I had bread to give to the ducks, but I had to give it to the seagulls. Greedy seagulls. Wonder if I would have could I grabbed more bread and gave it to the ducks? That makes me sad. Maybe there'll be another chance someday. Until then. I love the sound of rain. The smell of rain. Smell of rain is amazing. I think that's like one of the most amazing smells and sounds in the world. Like, oh, come on. And looks like they're gone. Yes. Alright. Can get around you? Yep. Can we grab a fish for our cat when we find her? Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay. Continue on. Come on, this way. Oh, careful. Oh no. Oh. 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 Gosh, we're adorable. Oh, look at her. She looks so happy now. Well, I believe that was the end of that chapter. Okay. So we got past the seagulls, got the bread, and we're a step closer to finding Nunny. And we saw Charlie again. We could see Lily again, but we saw Charlie again. And it's raining now. We have an umbrella though, so it's okay. Okay, so I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. In the comment section below, let me know if you guys enjoy the smell and the sound of rain as much as I do, because it looks like the next part will be dealing with rain. So let me know if I'm the only one who enjoys the sound and smell of rain, or if it's you guys do too. Hit subscribe to be informed when I upload new videos, and other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!